Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add the Shiba Inu to your Trust wallet. So first of all, we're going to be using the toggle at the top icon of the screen to enable the Shiba. So you simply search for Shiba and Shiba Inu comes out. That's the ERC20 Shiba Inu. As you can see, it's already activated, and with that we can simply buy directly from Trust wallet. So simply click on buy. And our next options, or our available options for purchase, are Binance Connect, Simplex, and Moonplay. The minimum you can purchase is $30, so let's say $30, and Moonpay is the best, so you can simply pay with Moonpay. A cheaper alternative to paying for these high gas fees, because the reason it's really costly like this is because of gas fees, you could use OKX. It's basically a centralized exchange that deals with cryptocurrency trading. And in order to deal with them, you're going to need an account. So using the link in the description of this video, register and get your account up to verification level 2, and a deposit of $50 will see you earning up to $10,000 worth of mystery boxes. So once you've opened OKX, make sure you head over to the convert section, where you can simply deposit any amount you'd like to, any amount of cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit, ranging from $1 to 10. So let's say we've got OKB. I've got some OKB here, and I'm looking for some SHIB. So I simply search for SHIB, and here we go. Max, simply click on Max, and click on Convert, and convert. Boom, it's done. Then you click on View Assets, and we're taken to the Assets section, where we can find 0.91 of the SHIB, which we can then withdraw to our Trust wallet by simply clicking on Withdraw here, selecting the Shiba Inu, click on Shiba Inu, click on On-Chain Transaction, and then it says Enter Address. So you simply minimize, open up your Trust wallet, and click on Receive, copy this wallet address, then open up your OKX again, paste this wallet address. The network is going to pop out. So you then click on SHIB ERC20, and then click on Max, which is 120,000 or so. You then simply click on Submit, and your Shiba Inu will be deposited directly into your Trust wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can add the Shiba Inu on our Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.